This is my setup and I'm very proud of it, and today we're going to talk about it. I'm gonna do a freestyle video. I'm gonna show you around and see what I've got behind me. So let's go. First of all, we can talk about the Tosburg chair from IKEA. It's a very nice and comfortable chair. It's about $130 or $140, something like that, but it's worth the price if you care about the design. Okay, next we have the Alex drawers, and I love them a lot because they organize all my hardware from the office. And here we have, for example, my gear for filming. Then we have the Epson printer. It's a ET8550. So it's a EcoTank printer. It's a flagship printer and it can print everything like stickers, A3 posters, and all that stuff. I love it and I'm going to do a lot of works with it. So next, what we can talk about is my table. This is a standing desk table. It's a really cool desk. It costed about $100 and it can work really fine. And so the shelf desk, it's the best upgrade that I've made to my setup. It costed about $30 to do it. It's really, really useful. Then we have a lot of stuff here that we can talk about. We have 2 ports to charge my AirPods, and this is really, really simple. It's just 2 cables, one USB-C and another lightning port from Apple, and I glue them with hot glue to the desk shelf, and it's really easy. So it's really attached to it, and you just plugged the AirPods like this and they charge. Then we have this charger. I love this charger. It's a MagSafe charger. You can charge any iPhone with MagSafe. It goes up to 15 watts charging and I love it so much. I have 2, one for my iPhone 12 and the other for the iPhone 17 Pro that I'm recording right now, and it's right there. And sometimes I actually use it to put my iPad as well. I have a pad behind the iPad and it can hold it really well. I almost forgot to mention this. This is a footrest cushion and I really use it really often. I bought it from AliExpress and it's currently normally there, and I rest my foot and it's really a game changer. I really like it. Here we have a simple cable tray. I just connected this to the main frame and all the cables run inside. Okay, so this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about any of the hardware that I have around. Like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.